Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app, and if you never used it before, hitting allow in the pop-ups. Now, before starting your recording, hit those three dots at the top right corner. Tap on recording quality and adjust it. I will go with the standard one. Then click on this red button. As you can see, recording is now on. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to this button at the bottom right corner. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end your recording and save it on the middle one again. As you can see, mine is over here. To play it, click on it. If you want to delete it instead, just hold it. Click on delete at the bottom in the middle and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!